I found out love could end. I don't know where, but I have been running ever since. And maybe to find my way back home, 'cause I don't know where I belong.
In today's digital era, information spreads rapidly and is easily accessed, especially by younger generation. While technological advance provides better access to knowledge, it also creates challenges such as declining reading interest, the rise of instant information consumption, and the spread of misinformation. This condition emphasizes the importance of strengthening literacy culture in order to develop critical, analytical, and wise thinking skills. As a higher education institution, Universitas Sultan Agung Tirtayasa plays an important role in developing knowledgeable and competitive human research. Throughout Untirta Literacy Week or PELITA, the university promotes reading, writing, discussion, and creativity through activities such as book exhibition, educational discussions, author meetings, and creative competition involving academic communities and the public. PELITA is also part of the commemoration of National Education Day and a tribute to Sheikh Nawawi al-Bantari, whose intellectual contributions are internationally recognized. In today's digital era, information spreads rapidly and is easily accessed, especially by younger generation. While technological advancement provides broader access to knowledge, it also creates challenges such as declining reading interest, the rise of instant information consumption, and the spread of misinformation. These conditions emphasize the importance of strengthening literacy culture in order to develop critical, analytical, and wise thinking skills. As a higher education institution, Universitas Sultan Agung Tirtayasa plays an important role in developing knowledgeable and competitive human research. Through Untirta Literacy Week or PELITA, the university promotes reading, writing, discussion, and creativity through activities such as book exhibition, educational discussion, and author meetings, creative competition involving academic communities and the public. PELITA is also part of the commemoration of National Education Day and a tribute to Sheikh Nawawi al-Bantani, whose intellectual contributions are internationally recognized. Therefore, PELITA serves as an important initiative to strengthen literacy awareness as a foundation for educational and national development. The Universitas Sultan Agung Tirtayasa is organized with the aim of strengthening literacy culture among academic communities and the wider society through various educational, creative, and collaborative activities. This program is intended to encourage reading interest, writing skills, and critical as well as analytical thinking in the minds of the rapid flow of digital information. In addition, PELITA is expected to serve as a platform for developing the knowledge and creativity of young generation. Through direct interaction with authors, research, literacy communities, and educational institutions. Throughout this activity, Universitas Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa also seeks to promote lifelong learning, broaden public access to knowledge research, and strengthen the quality of human research that are competitive, innovative, and aware of the importance of literacy as a foundation for national progress. Today, I will explain a related theory. I would like to talk about literacy and its importance in academic life, especially through Pelita or Pekan Literasi Untirta, which includes literacy activities and book exhibition on campus. According to Harvey J. Grave, literacy is the ability to read and write. However, literacy is not only limited to technical skills. In modern education, literacy has developed into the ability to understand, interpret, and use information in everyday life. Meanwhile, Elizabeth Soulsby explains that literacy includes reading, speaking, listening, and writing skills as forms of communication. From these theories, we can understand that literacy is closely connected to academic literacy. Academic literacy is the ability of students to understand knowledge critically, communicate ideas, analyze information, and participate actively in educational environments. Therefore, literacy is not only about reading books, but also about developing critical thinking, communication skills, and intellectual awareness. This concept is very relevant to Pelita or Pekan Literasi Untirta. Pelita is not simply a campus event, but also a platform to strengthen academic literacy among students through literary activities, discussions, and book exhibition. Students are encouraged to build reading habits and broaden their academic perspectives. In the journal Analisis Kebutuhan Literasi pada Jenjang Pendidikan Sekolah Dasar, it is explained that literacy helps individuals understand information from various sources, including digital media, and encourages people to think critically and reflectively. This means literacy is very important in today's digital era, where information spreads quickly through social media and the internet. As university students, we are required not only to receive information, but also to evaluate whatever the information is accurate, relevant, and beneficial. This is why academic literacy becomes an essential skill for students in higher education. Pelita also supports the development of reading interest among students. The journal explained that literacy culture can be strengthened through activities such as book clubs, discussions, storytelling, seminars, and reading programs. In the context of Pelita, the book exhibition becomes an interesting medium for students to explore educational books, scientific reference, novels, and motivational books that can enrich knowledge and inspire creativity. Moreover, literacy activities help students become more independent learners. Through reading, students gain new perspectives, improve communication skills, and develop empathy by understanding others' people's experience and ideas. Pelita also creates a positive academic environment on campus when students actively participate in literacy activities. They contribute to building a culture of learning, discussion, and intellectual
grow within the university community inclusion based on literacy theories of Harvey J. Graff and Elizabeth Soulsby. Literacy is not only the ability to read and write, but also the ability to understand, analyze, and communicate information effectively. Therefore, Pelita as Pekan Literasi Untirta plays an important role in strengthening academic literacy, increasing reading interest, and preparing students to become critical, creative, and knowledgeable individuals in the future.
Okay, next is data and evidence. Based on the article from Strategic Journal or Insight Strategic, the condition of Indonesian academic publication index in the Scopus show a clear pattern of increasing quantity, but still face significant challenge in the individual research productivity and overall quality of scholarly output. Indonesia has approximately 270,820 lecturers, yet the average Scopus publication productivity remain relatively low, at around 0.53 article per lecturer per year. This indicates that most lecturers are not actively publishing in international reputable journal, and publication output tend to be concentrated among a small group highly productive academic. On the other hand, the total number of Indonesian Scopus Index publications has increased significantly in recent years. The data show the growth from 97,624 publications in 2022 to 136,954 in 2023, and now reaching 144,469 in the 2024. This indicates that nearly represent 50% increase over 2 years, reflecting a strong national push toward improving academic publishing performance. Next, we're going to be discussing the critic about this program. Untirta Literature Week or Pelita that organized by Universitas Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa demonstrate that a strong commitment to promote how some institute promoting literacy culture among academic communities and society. This program combines educational discussion like a book exhibit, other meeting like book exhibition, and creative collaboration about the seminar, making this literary activity more engaging for Gen Z or younger generation. And at this day, the fourth day, we talk about Science Direct and Scopus Initiative. In the partnership with the Indonesian Librarian Association or IP Banten in the Banten region, and change that digital academic literacy by families, lecturer, and students with credible internationally indexed scholar database. Platforms such as Science Direct and initially Scopus play a vital role in improving research quality in Indonesia, publication performance, and overall academic development in the higher education. Within this framework, librarian function as a literacy navigator, going beyond traditional information management to actively support user in accessing, understanding, and critical evaluating scholarly research and Scopus. This highlights that the expanding role of library is strengthening advanced information literacy in the digital era. The collaboration discussed between Pelita is about Science Direct and Scopus and IP Banten reflect the shared commitment to developing research-oriented academic ecosystem that foster higher research quality, stronger collaboration, and greater global publication competitiveness. In this sense, Pelita acts as entry point to global science literacy supported by professional librarianship. However, there are several challenges in this program that occur this day. One of the main issues is the lack of clear separation between the book bazaar and the seminar session by literature. Ideally, these activities should organize separately to maintain focus. However, combining them in one setting causes distraction during the seminar. As a result, participant attention to the speaker discussion was reduced to the presence of activity of book bazaar, which affected the overall effectiveness of knowledge delivery. Furthermore, literacy programs need continuous development so that they become sustainable movement rather than annual sermons event. The overall this policy program improvement in strengthening literacy awareness and improving of quality human resources. With the continuous innovation and support, the program has potential to create broader positive impact on society in Indonesia.
Inclusion Pelita has become an environment education and culture event that strengthens literary awareness among a student and society. This program successfully created an inclusive learning environment where participation could improve. This reading, writing, and discussion and juga critical thinking skill in the digital era where information spread rapidly and people are often exposed to instant and unreliable content. Literary activities such as Pelita are increasingly necessary because they encourage individuals to think critically and responsibly. Moreover, Pelita does not only function as ceremonial celebration of National Education Day, but also reflects the university commitment to developing education, creative, and knowledge human resource. This book exhibits educational inclusion, meeting with actors, opportunities, and cultural collaboration. The event has demonstrated that literally can be preached in modern, engaging, and meaningful way. Therefore, Pelita can be considered a global platform for building a sustainable literary culture with academic community and the wider public. Recommendation to improve the quality and impact of Pelita in the future, several recommendations and can be considered. First, the community should expand collaboration with school, literary communities, publishers, and digital content creators so that the program can reach a wider audience beyond university students by involving more external participants. Pelita could become a larger literary movement at the regional level. Second, the organization should integrate more digital literary activities such as workshops on academic writing, digital content creation, fact-checking, and responsible to social media because young people today interact closely with digital platforms. These activities would help participant development critical skill needed in the modern innovation era. Third is a recommendation that Pelita prefer more interactive and practical program include public speaking training, writing mentor session, podcast discussion, and study public workshop. Such activities would encourage active participation and help students apply literary skill in real life situation. Finally, the university should continue organizing Pelita regularly every year while also conducting evaluation and collecting feedback for participation. Continuous improvement is important because a successful literary movement requires innovation, consistent, and strong public engagement. Through this effort, Pelita can continue to inspire students and society to make reading and writing not only academic activities but also leveling habits that contribute to national development.